The Grepr Intelligent Observability Data Engine reduces log volume by 90% while retaining 100% visibility. It uses machine learning to continuously, automatically create semantic pattern filters for the incoming data. For frequently occurring messages, only summary information is forwarded, while unique messages get passed straight through. No data is lost. All data sent to Grepr is retained in low-cost storage, which can be queried or optionally used to selectively backfill summarized data. This can be performed manually via the Grepr web dashboard or automatically via a webhook. This example will walk you through creating an endpoint for the webhook and how to call it. To create an external trigger or webhook exception, go to the details of a Grepr pipeline on the Grepr web dashboard. Select Exceptions from the left-hand menu, then click the Add button. Select the Backfill and Pause Aggregation Triggered by External Event option. Add scoping keys, for example, a specific service running on a particular host. Finally, choose from the drop-down menus the periods to backfill and suspend processing. Remember to apply the change to the pipeline. Once the change has been applied, you can retrieve the curl command required to trigger the webhook exception. Don't forget to toggle the Show API key before copying the command. You'll need this. You can now use the curl command to trigger the temporary processing exception from a shell script or use the parameters to integrate closely with an alert notification from an observability platform. To set up the integration in Datadog, follow these steps. On the Datadog integration dashboard, search for webhook. Click the New button, give it a name like Grepr Backfill. Fill in the details from the curl command you copied earlier. The Grepr API key is set as a custom header. It's a good idea to define the key as a custom variable. Save the webhook. To use the webhook in an alert, edit the body of the alert message and add @webhook followed by the name of the webhook. The editor will pop up a list. That's the integration complete. Now, when an alert is triggered, it will call the webhook, which will trigger the temporary exception and backfill in Grepr, thus ensuring the log data is not summarized before and after the alert. To find out more, visit our website at grepr.ai or scan the QR code.